In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into the all-new Lamborghini Revuelto, which has big shoes to fill as the replacement for the legendary Aventador. This new supercar is shaping up to be the most exciting and important car Lamborghini has ever made, and we're going to tell you everything you need to know about it. Welcome back to the channel, car enthusiast. First off, let's talk about the name Revuelto. As you may know, Lamborghini typically names its cars after things relating to Spanish fighting bulls. Revuelto has two meanings. It was the name of a fighting bull, but it's also a Spanish word for scrambled eggs. This may sound strange, but there's actually a part of the car's design where this name makes perfect sense, which we'll get into it later in this video. Now, onto the design. The Revuelto looks like a greatest hits compilation of Lamborghini's best cars from the past 15 years. The general silhouette is very similar to the Aventador, complete with scissor doors, while there are also elements from the limited edition Sion, such as the three-piece daytime running lights and black intakes down the sides. However, there are also unique features, like the high-mounted exhausts and the engine cover, and folding rear wing. I wish Lamborghini had given the car some more exciting-looking wheels, and they aren't especially huge either. The front wheels are 21 inches wide, and the rear wheels measure 22 inches. You can actually buy 22-inch wheels on a Volvo XC60 these days. So anyway, do you like the look of this new Revuelto more than the Ferrari SF90? Or should Lamborghini have gone even crazier with this car's design? In terms of performance, Lamborghini has opted not to follow the trend of downsizing engines, and instead, the Revuelto comes with a massive naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, which is the same size as the engine in the Aventador but 17 kilograms lighter. This new V12 is incredibly powerful, delivering an astonishing 825 horsepower using a new 8-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox, and hitting this number at an insane 9,250 RPM. The engine doesn't even hit the Redline until you reach a mind-boggling 9,500 RPM, that's 500 RPM, more than the naturally aspirated flat 6, in Porsche's 911 GT3 RS. However, the real secret weapon of the Revuelto is its hybrid system. The car features 3 electric motors, one at the back to help drive the rear wheels, and 2 at the front to drive the front wheels independently. This setup allows for the performance advantages of a naturally aspirated V12 engine, as well as the instant torque boost of electric motors. This is where the name Revuelto makes sense. It translates as mixed together, which is exactly what Lamborghini has done with this car. This car has more to offer than just practicality compared to the Aventador. The car's infotainment system has been completely overhauled, which is a relief. Moreover, the dashboard has been given a fresh design, featuring an 8-inch portrait touchscreen and a 12-inch digital driver's display. Additionally, there's a 9-inch landscape screen in front of the passenger, allowing you to swipe menus and settings from one screen to the other. This feature comes in handy, as your passenger can program the sat navigation while you concentrate on driving, trying not to scrape your alloy wheels while cruising around Monaco. The new Revuelto's cabin can also be customized with over 70 different color options. Lamborghini hasn't revealed the weight of the new Revuelto, but it has confirmed the car has a power-to-weight ratio of 1.75 kilograms per horsepower, which means the Revuelto with 1,015 horsepower weighs just under 1,780 kilograms, which is about 200 kilograms more than a Ferrari SF90 and about 250 kilograms heavier than the old Aventador SVJ, so it's lighter than your average performance car but still a bit heavy for a supercar. Let's talk about speed. According to Lamborghini, the Revuelto can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, and reach a speed of 120 miles per hour in under 7 seconds. This is comparable to the Ferrari SF90, which also achieves a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 2.5 seconds. However, Ferrari provides a more specific 0 to 120 mph time of 6.7 seconds for their vehicle. As for which car is quicker, it's difficult to say for sure. However, the Lamborghini Revuelto has a higher top speed of 270 mph compared to the Ferrari SF90's 211 mph, which suggests that the Revuelto may be faster over longer distances. Finally, we come to the big question: how much will this all cost? Well, Lamborghini hasn't confirmed prices yet, but it has hinted that it could cost from around $560,000, which is more than twice the price of a new Urus Performante, and it's also about $87,000 more than a Ferrari SF90. But, will it be $87,000 better? I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, and let me know what you think of it in the comments below. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel for more car content. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Cheers!